Okay guys, just for the fun of it, let's do a side-by-side test with the Pocket 2 and the Panasonic G9. Both filming in 4K 30 at 30 frames. I think I'm shooting in normal color profile on the Pocket 2, and I'm filming in natural color profile on my Panasonic G9. I'm pretty sure that the autofocus works better on my Pocket 2 than on my Panasonic G9, but with the updates for the Panasonic G9 the last year, it's much better. I'm using a 12 to 35 now lens. It's a zoom lens, and the the Pocket 2 has a fixed lens 1.8. I think I'm pretty sure that the Pocket 2 is 20mm and it's 24mm on the Panasonic G9. But this is just a side-by-side test, and of course I'm using it's the gimbal on it's 3-axis gimbal on the Pocket 2 and inboard stabilization on my Panasonic G9. But how is the picture quality? It's pretty hard to hold the Panasonic G9 like this. My arms all stretch out, but the little Pocket 2 is so easy to hold. But this is just a quick side-by-side test, Panasonic G9 and the Osmo Pocket 2. Is there any big difference in the image quality between these two? It should be, of course. It's a much larger sensor on the Panasonic G9. It's a Micro Four Third, and the Pocket 2 is 1 to 1.7. It's a bigger sensor on the Pocket 2 than it was on the Pocket 1, but of course you can't compare these two cameras. The image quality should be much better and more detail on the Panasonic G9. So I'm using the Rode mic on top of the camera. I'm not using any wireless mics. Hopefully the audio is okay. It's quite windy. It's fun to hold this camera side by side. Let's see if I can zoom in like that. I'm pretty sure we are almost the same focal length like this. But the Pocket 2 is just an excellent camera. I'm gonna use that much to vlog in the city and show off some beautiful buildings and stuff like that. Just use it for vlog if the image quality is good enough, and I think it is. So thank you so much for watching this side-by-side test. Panasonic G9, Pocket 2, DJI Pocket 2. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.